Okay, one of the places that you definitely should visit is Cambugahay Falls. Unfortunately, it's been developed a little bit. I'll try to get some video of what they've done on the lower falls. What you can see behind me right now is the upper falls. Now, I highly recommend not coming here on a Saturday or a Sunday or on a holiday, because we're here on a Sunday and there's about 20,000 people here and it's just total chaos. And it's not, at least for me, it's not enjoyable at all. If you like big crowds and you can handle big crowds, it might work for you, but I really don't like it, so I'm probably going to sit most of this stuff out. Come during the week, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, something like that, when it's not a school holiday, when school is still in session, and there'll be a lot less people. It'll be a bit more enjoyable, at least for most. Okay, so we just had breakfast. It's Monday morning. We're eventually going to be heading back to Cambugahay on the Ro-Ro, which leaves at 2 o'clock. Right now we're starting to head into the interior of Siquijior, trying to find San Antonio and the forest there with the observation tower. And these ladies here were nice enough to give us directions. And they're acting a little shy now, as always. But salamat sa imong tabang. Thank you for assistance. And we're going to be heading out. And hopefully we won't get too lost. I know we're going to get lost. It always happens, and I usually can't deal with it very well. My coping mechanisms are not well that developed. But hopefully we won't get too lost, like miss the ferry lost.
We wish.
We wish.
We wish.
Okay, so we're in Mount Banilaad State Forest, up at the very central section of Siquijior. This is the highest point of Siquijior. And now we're going up the 148 steps to the observation tower. Yeah, this will be fun. 147, 146, 145, 140. Jeez. Lynn was just telling me there's every year in Dipolog they do 3,000 steps for their sins. And I said that there must be a lot of sinners in Dipolog. She didn't have much to say about that. How much further?
Nice.
Go do the book. Got a lot of energy. I don't have that energy. I wish I had that energy. Quitting smoking helped though. Gotta say that. Ah, places for me to collapse. Nice. Woo, okay. So we get up to 148 steps. Caution, maximum capacity 10 persons. And there's actually like a bear cache for storing your food away from animals. Maybe it's because they got monkeys or something here. Huh. And this is the observation tower, which we shall now ascend because we're running out of time.
Faster.
Sorry. I'm decrepit. Ooh. Sunlight. We've broken out into dawn. Or daylight. And success! We have arrived. And I think is what is supposed to be the highest point in Siquijior. I think. That's Mindanao over there. That's Mindanao over here. That's Negros. That's Cebu. Okay, there's Cebu Island, Simulan Island. There's Negros. And I'll boost you up. And you might be able to see Apo over there. And Lynn is working on her selfie collection. You notice I'm never in the selfie collections? You know, she's like an expert on selfies. She got the facial expressions down, everything. So this is nice. Now we're gonna head back. So yeah, the Cebu, way over there. Lynn wants me to do this 3,000 steps into Dipolog, and I'm telling her I don't want to do that. Then she says it's an adventure.
An adventure, 3,000 steps.
Right, that's not.
Wash your sins, honey.
And I'm not washing my sins. I am not doing 3,000 sins. That's not an adventure. Going down a zip line is an adventure. Jumping off waterfalls is an adventure. 3,000 steps is not an adventure.
It's an adventure. It's 100%.
I don't want to kill myself, and I don't want to. I don't sin. I'm not a sinner. Ooh, that's kind of harsh. Speaking of sinners, looks like they have a Stations of the Cross thing, path set up here. Yeah, this is the 9th station right here. Ow! Oh, that hurt. Jesus nailed to the cross. And the stations continue down here. And this is literally we're out in the middle of nowhere. And but there's the Stations of the Cross. It's a Catholic country. Going down the 148 steps is a little bit easier. Going up is a pain in the butt. Going down, not so bad. A lot easier. Gravity is working in my favor. Yeah. And we got our backpack with laptops and all kinds of other electronics in it. I didn't want to carry it up to the viewing deck, the 148 steps, so I stashed it down here. And Lynn was graceful enough to pick it up for us. We just buried it under leaves.
Still have leaves on.
Still has leaves on it. Camouflage. Oh, here, hon. Can you turn it off? You gotta check it out. Yeah, it's cool. It's not that bad. All right, here's just a quick aside. Traveling on automatic scooters is still the best, in my humble opinion. We got Lynn's backpack in the back here. We got my backpack up front. Just the storage capacity of these beasts is pretty bad. Again, we got the full helmet size underneath the seat here with even more storage. And it's just so convenient. The little backpacker slides right between here. Works really good. I like it. And this is Lynn's helmet. It's like something out of Star Wars. TIE fighter pilot. Yeah, in addition to the kind of rough roads, something else you got to deal with in Siquijior sometimes is giant ass boulders in the middle of the road. And trees. We went by a couple trees. So this came from up there. Kaboosh. It's basically in the middle of the road. Oh, just go around it because we got scooters. Whoopee! Hey, what's your dog's name? What's the name of the dog? Duterte? Yeah. Duterte, hi Duterte. He's maldito. He's guarding the house. He's guarding his country. Hey, Day. Hey. Ah, excellent. We got a YouTube star. Sorry, Duterte. We'll leave you alone. We're just taking a break before we head back down to the port area. This is San Antonio. This is where the witches and the witch doctor, the Aswang, the Wak Wak, the Capri, they all live. Actually, the witch doctor that I went to last time, lives right down here. And we just met Duterte, the dog, not the president. The dog. And it's a hot day. And I'm looking forward to getting back to Dumaguete to take a nice hot shower. And we're gonna head down the mountain now. From San Antonio that way. The road's rough, but that's part of the charm. That is La Isla del Fuego, the Isle of Fire, Siquijior. Okay, and finally we're at Montenegro. Big line. It's super hot out. And we're getting our tickets to head back to Dumaguete, which is over there. As you see, I am sitting here, and Lynn is actually doing all the work of getting the tickets and all that stuff. Because she's the best. She's the best. She's somewhere. She's in the office.